Cryptocurrencies and bitcoins are very popular, and recently there is a news that Reserve Bank of India is exploring the possibility of introducing digital rupee. This video will look at latest news and developments we have in the crypto space, particularly in regards to India. So let's look at it in more detail. The RBI has reported that there has been an exponential growth in the digital payments since more than a decade now. Furthermore, RBI has acknowledged the popularity of cryptocurrency in the world, and recently RBI was in the news when they declared that they are planning to explore the possibility as whether there is a need for a digital version of the fiat currency. In late year 2020, China introduced digital yuan. This was in response to Facebook's Libra coin and the COVID-19 pandemic. So far, this is a pilot project, and digital yuan was introduced only in four major cities of China. But the payment option by this digital yuan is growing quite fast. It is quite expected that Indian government may like to see the progress of digital yuan and subsequently may like to introduce same in India. As per a report published in Mint, which is a popular Indian news, retail investors in India aged between 25 to 40 years are spending millions on trading in cryptocurrency every day. According to the country's largest crypto exchanges, which are Wizard and Coindex, they are getting nearly 85% to 125% growth in the trades. Even the US is also planning to bring digital USD maybe in this year or sometime soon. I expect there will be many more development in blockchain technology, and particularly many things will be possible in India in this space. Please subscribe, and we will keep bringing all latest news to you.